Okay everyone, so now we are starting this question. Match the pairs in the following question. So these are some pairs which are given and these are the answers. So now we are discussing with very first thing, pointer data type. Now everybody is aware that where we use we use the pointer for the dynamic memory. So which will be the correct option? The pointers are used for the dynamic data structure. So the A option is matched with the Q option. Just like in the second semester data structure, we have learned that the pointers are there. There is a linked list where we used to take the pointers and those pointers help the linked list to move, just like PTR next is equal to this one or something. So there we are using the linked list, which is the part of dynamic data structure. So it is clearly mentioned that pointer is the part of dynamic data structure. If we check out the option AQ, so AQ is over there. So as per the option, A will be the correct answer. Rest answers we can easily strike off because AQ is already coming into the A part. So now the next one we are having is the activation record. What is activation record? So activation record. See, there is a portion of stack which is used for invocation of the function. This is called the stack frame or the activation record. And this activation record is used for the recursion. So the correct matching of B is R, which is recursion. So we can say that activation record is used for the recursion. The next one we are having is the repeat until. Well, this is a new one. Just like we are having the do loop, we are having the while loop, we are having the for loop. These all loop work for the correct condition. So if I say the I less than 10, for that the loop will work. But repeat until loop is the loop which work for the false conditions. And for those false conditions, the value become non-deterministic. Just like if I say if I less than 10, the loop should work. But if I say repeat until I less than 10, that means loop will not work for 1 to 10. It will work for the more than 10. And more than 10 is infinity. Nobody can go over there. So repeat until loop is non-deterministic loop. Now the next one we are having the coercion. So implicitly or explicitly changing the type is called the coercion. It is the part of programming language. So the correct option for that one is the P, that is type conversion. So there we are having the option A, Q part, which is pointer data type is matching with dynamic data structure. Activation record is matching with the recursion. Then repeat until is matching with the non-deterministic loop, and coercion is matching with the type conversion. So the answer is A.